Bonjour mes amis of Atout France. In 2023, the Rugby World Cup will be in France. It's going to be an amazing event. And it's not just about rugby. Just think about visiting the best vineyard, manger, eating in the best restaurant in France. It's all about joie de vivre. Come to France in 2023 for amazing Rugby World Cup. So I've got some questions from the crowd. Do I support Les Bleus or the Wallaby? Well, I don't know. What do you think? Do I play rugby? I used to. Unfortunately, not anymore. What is my best memory traveling with Les Bleus? Well, traveling with Les Bleus, being with them, is a memory I will cherish for the rest of my life. What is my favorite French dish? My goodness, I have so many, but today I would love to eat a cassoulet. So today I'm going to show you how to make a cassoulet. The cassoulet is one of the flagship of dishes from Toulouse. Toulouse is where the epicenter of French rugby is, and I just love a good cassoulet. Bon appétit, everyone. In the spectacular countryside in the Occitan region of France is Carcassonne. It looks like a fairy tale coming to life. Down the road is a market town of Castelnaudary, the birthplace of the famous culinary specialty of the region, le cassoulet. What is cassoulet? Well, it's a stew, it's a casserole. Every grandmother in Carcassonne will have the official recipe, but today I'm going to show you my own. So you can use any meat you want. Me, I will use pork belly, duck confit, ham hock, the famous sausages of Toulouse, but there is one thing who's not negotiable, it is the white beans. The white beans, it's like the pasta of the southwest of France. So the first step with my cassoulet, I'm going to seal all my meat. So I'm going to start with my beautiful pork belly. And all I need here is to get my pork belly nicely colored. Look at that. Beautiful, crispy, crackling. And I'm going to do my duck confit, my duck leg. Voila. I'm going to do the same with my sauces from Toulouse. So all I'm doing here is getting some color out of it. Look at that. That's it. That's what I want, Guillaume. Just beautiful and crispy. Just waiting for my beans now. So, touch of oil. I'm going to put first my garnish. So, carrots, onion, and tomato. Some thyme and some bay leaves. No colors, but I want it to be cooked. Golden, not burn. And I'm going to add my white beans. Toss everything together. I'm going to put my pork belly, but I'm going to cut it in half. My duck, I'm going to cut it in half as well. Oh, look at that. My sausages. And you know, I'm putting a lot of meat here. We are feeding the troops. What I mean by feeding the troops, did you know during the 100 Years' Wars with France and England, then during the Battle of Castelnaudary, the French people were under siege, and the residents decided to make a big stew, a casserole, a cassoulet for the soldiers during the battle. And guess what? The French won. And what I'm going to do now, I'm going to use the stock I used to cook the ham hock to cook my cassoulet. Nearly ready to go to the oven, but first I want to add a little bit of confit of garlic. And don't be shy with it. Let's put it in the oven now. Let's leave it for a good hour, and that should be perfect. Look at that. And all I want to do now is to finish my cassoulet. I'm going to put some breadcrumbs, some garlic, and some parsley on top of it. 10 more minutes in the oven. The breadcrumbs going to be golden. And let me tell you, I think it speaks for himself. This is a very good cassoulet. Thank you for watching me making a cassoulet. If you want the recipe, go into France.fr, and also you'll be in a draw to win a 15-liter bottle of champagne. I repeat, yes, you heard me, 15-liter bottle of Mumm Champagne. It is the biggest bottle of champagne here in Australia, and also winning some beautiful Le Creuset pot. In the meantime, stay safe, and please come to France in 2023. Go the Wallaby, and allez les Bleus. Vive la France. Merci.